volume conversions, and the metric system. Introduction. In this session, we will delve into the critical aspects of volume conversions and the metric system. This system finds extensive application in scientific and daily scenarios. Mastery of these conversions is fundamental for precise measurements in cooking, healthcare, and various scientific fields. Basic conversion facts. Let's begin with some key conversion facts. It is important to remember that 1 gram, G, equals 1,000 milligrams, mg, and conversely, 1 milligram is 1,000 micrograms, mcg. This hierarchy is crucial for navigating weight and volume measurements. Understanding the metric system. The metric system streamlines calculations for users. When converting from a larger unit to a smaller one, shift the decimal right. Conversely, when moving from a smaller unit to a larger one, shift left. This method is uncomplicated, yet affects measurement accuracy significantly. A key volume equivalence. Grasping key volume equivalence is equally critical. For example, 1 ounce Oz corresponds to 30 milliliters, ml, and 8 ounces total 1 cup. A teaspoon TSP is 5 milliliters, as is a dram. Such conversions are essential in cooking and nutrition, where exact measurements are vital. Converting to a larger unit. As noted earlier, when converting to a larger unit, shift the decimal left. This straightforward guideline helps prevent mistakes, especially where precision is crucial. Memory aid. To assist your memory, think left when handling larger unit conversions. This phrase serves as a helpful mental reminder for accurate measurement adjustments. Additional equivalents. Expanding our list, we observe that 1 tablespoon, tbsp, corresponds to 15 milliliters, ml, which equals 3 teaspoons, TSP. These relationships facilitate easy conversions in cooking measurements, enhancing kitchen efficiency. Example conversion. To illustrate these concepts, let's consider this example. If we have 1 liter, L, it is equal to 1,000 milliliters, ml. Now let's convert 1,500 micrograms, mcg, to milligrams, mg. Since a milligram is larger than a microgram, shift the decimal 3 places left. Consequently, 1,500 mcg converts to 1,500 milligrams, or simply 1.5 milligrams. Conclusion. In summary, understanding volume conversions and the metric system is vital for precision across various disciplines. By becoming familiar with important conversion facts, volume equivalents, and decimal shifting rules, we can ensure measurement accuracy. Whether in scientific inquiry, cooking, or day-to-day activities, mastering these conversions improves our ability to effectively communicate and work with numerical data. Thank you for your participation.